Hi everyone, we are Ray and
Via.
in this video we are talking about the procedure for paying corporate income tax in a short, clear and structured way.
Before we get into the procedure, let's start from a quick explanation what is corporate income tax is, so there's no confusion. Corporate income tax or PPh Badan is a tax charge on the income earned by a business entity within one tax year. Because of that income, the business has an obligation to pay corporate income tax to the government.
The parties that have this obligation are business entities such as limited companies, CVs, partnership, cooperative, and other type of business based on the income they receive or earn from selling goods, providing service, or other business activities. As a corporate taxpayer, a company has several tax obligations that need to be fulfilled.
These obligations include calculating the tax out, paying the tax, and reporting it according to the applicable rules.
That's why the goal of this video is to explain the procedure for paying corporate income tax, which is one of the most important obligations for corporate taxpayer.
Before making the corporate income tax payment, there are a few things you need to prepare.
These include 1. The company tax ID, 2. The calculation of the corporate income tax out, and 3. Information on the tax period and tax year, 4. Access to the electronic tax payment system, and the last 5. Payment methods such as internet banking or ATM. Next, let's move on to the step for paying corporate income tax.
The first step is that the corporate taxpayer needs to know how much corporate income tax must be paid based on the tax calculation for one tax year.
The second step is to create a tax billing code by filling in details such as the type of tax, tax period, tax year, and the amount of tax to be paid.
The third step after getting the billing code is to make the corporate income tax payment through a bank or other official payment channels.
The fourth step, once the payment is successful, is that the taxpayer will receive a proof of payment. This should be saved as record and as proof that the tax payment obligation has been fulfilled.
Besides the steps we just explained, there are a few important things you need to keep in mind.
Corporate income tax is paid after the tax year ends, and it has to be settled before submitting the annual corporate income tax return.
For example, corporate income tax for the 2025 tax year can be paid starting from January 1, 2026 and no later than April 30, 2026.
If the payment is made after the deadline, the taxpayer will be charged an administrative penalty in the form of interest for late payment based on the applicable tax regulation.
So that's our explanation of the procedure for paying corporate income tax.
By understanding this process, we hope taxpayer corporate can handle their tax obligation properly and on time.
Thanks for watching.
We hope this video can helpful. Bye
Bye bye.